This video tells the story of one of history's greatest mathematicians, Leonhard Euler, born in Basel, Switzerland in 1707, and passed away in St. Petersburg, Russia in 1783. Born in Switzerland in 1707, Leonhard Euler learned basic mathematics from his father, igniting an immediate spark. As a child, he thought, numbers are like magic puzzles. A brilliant prodigy, he entered the University of Basel at just 14 years old. The famous professor Johann Bernoulli gave him the most difficult math books to read every single Sunday. In 1727, Euler traveled to work at the St. Petersburg Academy of Sciences in Russia. He worked on everything from maps and science to shipbuilding, believing that math brings everything in the world together. Euler defined the very symbols used in classrooms globally, formalizing the imaginary unit I, making pi the famous standard for circles, and inventing the notation for mathematical functions, including f of x and e. He was a devoted father who claimed he made his greatest mathematical discoveries while holding a baby, with children playing at his feet. This included solving the Basel problem. Relentless work took a toll. Due to a severe fever and eye strain, he lost the sight in his right eye entirely. But this didn't stop his work. He merely thought he would have fewer distractions. Euler moved to Berlin to work for a king. During his 25 years there, he wrote roughly 380 articles and helped design water pumps and telescopes. Returning to Russia in 1771, his house burned to the ground, though he barely escaped, saving only himself and his math papers. Shortly after, an illness claimed the sight in his remaining eye, leaving him completely blind. Astonishingly, after losing his sight completely, Euler produced almost half of his total lifetime mathematical output in just 12 years, using chalkboards, mental calculation, and dictation as his key tools. Total blindness unlocked Euler's ultimate ability, a flawless photographic memory. He could calculate the world's most complex mathematics entirely inside his own mind. He dictated his brilliant thoughts aloud, while his sons and assistants raced to write them down. He could easily calculate complex equations, such as the lunar orbit calculations, purely in his head. On his very last day in 1783, he was still calculating the aerodynamics of hot air balloons and teaching his grandson. He passed away that evening, leaving behind one of the greatest historical legacies in mathematics. Today, whenever you solve a puzzle, look at a map, or use pi in school, you are still using Leonhard Euler's magic. Math is truly awesome.